everyone, thanks for watching. Okay, I'm going to do my first cooking experiment on the wood burner. Well, it's a multi-fuel burner, so you can burn coal as well. So here, I've got some soup going, and then I'm going to do some garlic flatbreads. So here, I've got some butter and some garlic in there, just warming up. What I got was these from Sainsbury's for 10p, chicken and vegetable. So I got 2 of those. So that's a bargain of a price. It tastes okay as well, but I've added some garlic powder, chili flakes and a few herbs to it. And what I thought for my flatbreads, I'm going to stick it on here and then shove it in there and see what happens. It's been about 30 minutes now, so the garlic butter's bubbling away. So I'm going to take that off. Let's have a look at the soup now. Yeah, that's doing nicely. Let's give it a taste. I think I've put too much chili flakes in. I'm going to put the lid back on and then we'll do the cheesy garlic bread. So I've put the tiniest smidgen of olive oil on this, and I'm going to do the bottom side first. I've had to keep on moving it around. Gonna be honest with you, I burnt the first one. I've had to lift it up, so I needed 2 hands really. So I'll put the garlic on this side, which I've done, which I've burnt. Right, I've put the garlic butter on, and I'm just gonna sprinkle just a tiny little bit of cheese, not a lot. Right then, so I've put a bit of cheese on there. I'm gonna hold it up so it's not right on the coals. I think that's what I did wrong. That wasn't easy videoing as well. You need to keep it off the coals. Keep it a few inches above and then you won't burn it like I did the first one. So there you go, there's cheesy garlic bread and some soup done on the wood burner. I would say that was a result for my first attempt at cooking, especially something like this where you could just leave on. I think from now on I'm going to utilise the wood burner a bit more. I'm going to experiment as well. Okay, the hubster's going to try this soup. I didn't make it, it was Sainsbury's, but it looks nice.
There we go. Well, you put the chilli in it.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Is that
very
okay?
Nice, yeah.
Right, do you want to try a piece of one of these cheesy garlic breads? I've already tasted, as you can see. No, that's mine.
Delicious.
Are you sure?
Honestly.
Yeah.
Lovely. Yeah.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah,
If you've got no electric.
Yeah, lovely.
Okay, so I'd like to say thanks for watching everyone. God bless. Stay safe.